So the markets are in turmoil after days of selling. Gold actually, gold has done extremely well. Gold closed down today. Mad Money's Jim Cramer on why it now, in his view, may be a time to buy bullion.
A lot of panic in gold today. People bailing, people selling it short, people trading it every which way but loose. And I'm telling you, that's all wrong. They're all wrong. I've been a bull in gold for more than a double now, and typically it would be greedy to stay long after such a huge run. But unless its appreciation has now made it more than 20% of your personal portfolio, a real high-quality problem to have, I think you should just hold on and actually look to buy more on weakness to bring it up to 20%. Here's why. Gold is not a commodity. It is not like oil or copper or wheat or fertilizer. Certainly not fertilizer. It's a currency. In a world where currencies are going nuts and every country on earth seems to want its currency to be lower, gold is king. You can't debase it, even if you tried. You can't print it. There's not enough out there to sell. And any central bank, if any central bank wanted to ring the register, and everyone's got a profit, obviously. And you can't even find the stuff in easy places anymore, as you can tell from the astoundingly horrible performance of the gold miners during this historic run. Not irony. It costs too much to get it out, and they can't find it. I always hear about these correlations with gold. Some say buy it when the dollar's weak. Some say buy it when the euro's strong. Some say buy it when rates go up. Some say buy it when inflation rates or when deflation stalks. You know what? They're all right. You know why? Because gold's been the best performing asset in the world these last 11 years, and during that time period, we've had every one of those conditions. Gold correlates with chaos, and we got chaos everywhere. You don't trade gold on any of these. It doesn't correlate with anything other than the craziness. You can buy bullion if you can, or coins. If not, the GOD, the gold ETF, and you hold it. That's my gold strategy in a nutshell. Back to you.
Jim Cramer there. Except, of course, on big days, people are forced sellers because they have to raise cash in the market.
For margin calls, get the liquidity, exactly. Well, he raises a really good point about central banks, because central banks as far-flung as Vietnam and Kazakhstan, they're all buying more gold. And this is to diversify further away from the US dollar. It's a slow process, but they're doing it.
And gold is